Because something used to work doesn't mean that it still works. And I want to talk to you guys a little bit about open houses, which I love. I can work an open house like nobody's business. But because your home is not selling and you're about to go yell at your real estate agent for not doing open houses, don't do that before you listen to what I have to say. You guys, the internet is our world today. We all have tablets, we all have phones, we all have computers, and late Gen Xers and millennials are relying heavily on the internet to buy everything from shoes and, yes, houses. In reality, you guys, only 3% of homes sell at open house. Now, what this allows you, if you're a seller, the bottom line is, guys, price your house right. I've told you that 100 times. Don't blame the open house or your house not selling on not having an open house, because you really, if you're gonna have an open house, there's only a small percentage of real buyers that walk in the front door. But here's the benefit to you that you don't have to dink with. You don't have to dink with people traipsing through your house. You don't have to worry about displacing your animals. You don't have to worry about displacing your family for hours. Unless the home is vacant, I really, really want you to understand that if you don't have an open house, it is okay. I saw a statistic, I'm not sure if this is right, but like in the high 80 percentile, people are searching on the internet for their homes before they've even chosen their agent. So keep that in mind. And the bottom line is, guys, price your house properly.